Okay, everyone. Hello. Welcome to another episode or video. Turquoise. I go by Carol or Turquoise. Welcome to my universal ethics and mental wellness process. I was asked to describe what my mental wellness process is and how and why I developed it and how it is different from many self-help processes. I'm going to read from my forum board. Mental Health Ethics and Social Health Mesh at mentalwellness.boardhost.com. Okay, most self-help processes follow a certain plan, technique, or practice. For example, Recovery Incorporated follows a specific plan, and so does the 12-step program. Smart Recovery, a program for addicts, follows a specific plan. The only thing I practice specifically are the 5 modules. I believe that we can practice the modules in any way we wish. There is no specific way to do it. That is up to us as individuals, and it is up to me as an individual how I practice them. I did write them. In the Life Purpose module, I explore my reason for living and explore what I believe in, and I do this by watching YouTube videos about belief systems and spirituality, etc. Sometimes I even go into what I politically or socially believe in, and I do research on that to help myself. Okay, the camera just went dark. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Help myself, and I encourage anyone else to do the same or similar however they need to. In the Behavioral Awareness and Change module, I have explored my problem behaviors, and I even have a 3-page analysis on problem behaviors that I have and an addiction that I am working on dealing with. I have a plan on how to deal with that, and I encourage others to do the same, or I listen to them share what is going on, and I may brainstorm with them as a peer to help them figure out how to deal with it. In the Life Experiences module, I have studied what has happened to me, and I do feel like a Life Experiences module is very much missing in many self-help programs and therapy programs. The insurance doesn't want to pay for what happened to you when you were a child. I learn to validate my experiences, and I validate others' experiences, including the life experiences of my traumatizers and family members, etc. And that doesn't make it okay with me that they traumatized us, but it's really about our life experiences. That's the validation piece. In the Emotions and Thoughts Process module, I study how to deal with my disordered thoughts and dysregulated emotions, and I relate to others on how to deal with them. In the Health module or the Mind-Body module, I study healthier behaviors and health problems. I explore ways to live in a healthier manner. And I also study how our physical health and mental health are very interrelated. This is a more detailed way that I transcend mental illness. I'm just hitting the keyboard so that it doesn't go dark again. This writing was made by request of part of my audience. And I got asked again on YouTube and in my life to talk about it. I realized that in the Transcending Mental Health Illness thread that I used to have, I deleted it because I didn't share specifically what I do, except that I mentioned that I read self-help books and do studies online and peer support people that are interested. I hope this is helpful in letting people know how my mental wellness program works for me. It is not as esoteric as most self-help processes, and it leaves much room for us to explore our own issues and solutions as we see fit as individuals, and we work together as a support system. I signed my name Sarah, but I call myself Turquoise now. More information, or if you want to chat personally, please put MESH on the subject line and email me. There's my email address, bluec9066@gmail.com. Disclaimer, I am not a mental health provider. My interest in mental health is personal. And the month of December, many ways to give love. Find it and then give it. Be safe, everyone. Hope that helped you guys understand what my modules are and what my mental wellness process entails.